Hi guys, so this is my brick of choice for doing the aging of my garden. That's I haven't started. I was just checking things out how I want it laid, and yeah. But today I want to use some of the red brick that I already took out. I've already marked the how high I want it to be, and yeah, and then I'm just gonna, on that string line, I want to put back all that that red Mampara bricks, but I'm not gonna lay them in the way that they were before. I'm just gonna do it differently now, because I am going to be using the smaller type of brick, or pavers rather, like these ones, but the smaller ones, I think they are 10 centimeter by 10 centimeter small blocks. So I'm gonna use them on top of the red brick just to give it a nice facelift, and then I'm just gonna be using some garden glue to glue them onto the red brick. So yeah, let's just get working, guys. Alright, so the next thing for me is to lay down this sheet, this plastic sheet. That's the one that that's very thick. They normally use it for building, and I'm also using nails to keep it down, you guys, so that it doesn't shift. Okay, so far so good. I'm happy with this right now, and I did it up until halfway. I'm going to continue tomorrow. So yeah, I'm happy, guys. I really am happy with this. Here I still need to get some grass from, I don't know where, but I'm definitely gonna get grass cuttings around the yard and just fold them in here. Eventually they will pick up.
And because you guys can see they've gained a bit of height in the front, and I want to bring them to the back and then bring these red ones to the front, and possibly these as well, or I'll just leave them, or whatever the case may be, but I want to bring these to the back and these to the front. So yeah, I'll just get into it.
Hi guys, so I am done with, oh sorry about that. Can this thing just, okay, yeah, that's better. Okay, so I'm done with switching up the plants. You can see that one is dripping a little bit, but it's going to pick up. I've already watered them, and I have the shorter ones in the front all the way to the back there. And if I can just zoom in a little bit, yeah, but yeah, this is it, and I think I'm much more happy with it like this. So yeah, and now we don't have water, municipal water, and also we have load shedding. I do have water in the house because we have a tank, but yeah, to fill up the tank again, because of all this load shedding, so we also have problems with water now. I just want to point out on these pipes, I put some sprinklers last year, but I want to put in a new sprinkler system, you guys, so I'm taking this one out. The pipe, I am still going to use this pipe on my planter boxes, inside my planter boxes, so I'm not going to get rid of it. On another note, I also have these. They came with the pot, and same as these ones, they also came with the pot, but I think they are the same color. I'm excited to see what color they are. And I moved my philodendron to the outside, the one that was in the house, and now they are at the nursery. I got myself these, you guys. Imagine when I get so many bulbs of them and I can be able to get cut flowers for my house. I'm super excited.